Alright, here comes another Wick video, guys. I got way too much footage the other day, but we were having way too much fun and we were getting a lot done. So here comes yet another one. There'll probably be about 2 or 3 more after this too.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I'm sure we need 8.
What you messing with, Wicky Wick?
Body bushings.
Ooh, fun.
And with 2 sets, we should get 1 out of it. Because when we test fit the body for the frame kit, one of the bolts seized, so it took a little sawing to get it off. And so I actually got the hardware kit with all these inserts that you need to go in these bushings. And in there was actually that exact bushing, but these are graphite mix. This is, I don't know what kind of mix, but it's got all kinds of holes in it. It looks like it was not very well made, so we're gonna throw it away. But it's just interesting to me that
looks like
not
it was
supposed to come there, but it happened to be in there, and it's exactly the same one that we needed.
Maybe that was a Friday afternoon.
It probably was after a lunch of beers. Oh, there's the 40. I thought.
Little Coors Light lunch.
So I'm guessing we should have even numbers of all these. So I need another 44, which we'll get out of this cool little pack here. There's a 44. How about that?
Wick's got so many rubbers.
2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. I think we might have them all now.
Awesome.
So, whew.
Get a little head rush there.
Head rush. So position 1 gets a washer, and then a 3, that's the bracket, and then a 4 is a 42. So I got a 45.
I like how
and a 42.
whoever you ordered this from on this instruction sheet, they just ordered it somewhere else and then cut that brand shit out.
Yes, it's pretty classic, isn't it?
That's spectacular. That's like, we don't want to tell you where we get this for half of what we charge you.
That's exactly what it is, actually. I'm quite sure.
Oh yeah. Nope. And the Harley guys, they're over there turning gasoline into noise without the byproduct of horsepower.
Yes, they are doing that. They do that every day, actually.
Yes. All right, Wick's on this. I'm going to show you guys some brake line fun. And we are moving today. All right, Wick's got his stuff sorted.
I'm getting there. Now I got to figure out where those guys go. Kind of neat how they individually plastic wrap them.
Well, you know.
Too bad they didn't come in stainless.
But they're wrapped for
They're individually wrapped. So.
They're wrapped for your protection.
Yeah. I mean, it took some guy or gal like a couple of seconds to put that on there. Do you think that makes financial sense?
Nope. I would have just thrown all that shit in a box in one bag.
Yeah, because who cares if it's scratched? Like, look at that defect on the bottom of it anyway.
You're not going to see it.
I don't really understand why they did this. But I'm sure they have a reason. Just not apparent to me.
Oh, I know. So they can charge us more. Like, we put a 3-cent bag and paid a guy a nickel to do it, so we're going to charge you an extra $3.
Yeah.
See,
there you go.
That's called business.
You're thinking like them.
Man,
See, I got to figure out which one goes to which. These obviously are bigger, so they go in the bigger ones. Because
the big ones go in the big ones and the small one goes in the small one?
I'm thinking that's how it's going to work.
Well,
these drawings are
sometimes
minimal help because
I like that though.
I know that like it doesn't call out that little sleeve in there, but
look at that fanciness.
Here they call out 6 is a frame, 5 is a washer. You got to reuse the 2. What's a 2? Factory washer with sleeve. 1 factory washer, and actually looks a lot shorter than a factory washer with sleeve. Well, I have a factory washer, but I have stainless washers.
Stainless, pretty.
Pretty stainless.
ARP, always pretty.
Stainless bolts, stainless nuts, stainless washers.
These ain't so pretty, but we'll use them for something somewhere.
Yeah, they came with this. This was a package deal. Package deal right here.
It's okay. We can.
You know, I'm really getting annoyed with this because the guy put these things in this bag faster than I can get them out of the bag. So it's kind of a waste of bag time, you know what I mean?
I just hooked all of it in a box and shipped it.
That's what I would have done.
Stick a label on it. Done.
Rattle around in there, maybe put some bubble wrap in there if the noise of the rattling bothers you. But I mean, they come in these other bags.
No, use old newspaper because that's free.
Hey, there you go. Nobody reads the newspaper anymore. That's the only problem with that.
Yeah, I've never.
Do they even make newspapers anymore? They probably don't even make newspapers.
I got the phone book the other day and it went straight to the recycle bin.
Yeah, right.
Like it went right from the front gate around to the
Like every
recycle
one of
bin.
these companies sends us a paper catalog. And they should know I ordered the stuff online, so I don't need a paper catalog.
Yeah,
This is crazy.
I threw out 3 LMC truck catalogs because I can access the catalog and it's downloaded on the hard drive on my computer.
Yeah. And probably in your phone.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's just crazy. Who needs all that stuff?
All right, I like how Wick and I just like ramble about things. It's great.
Yeah.
We're
I was
crotchety.
getting ready to ramble about something else, but I can't even remember what it was now.
Well,
I think it's the paint.
We're gonna, yeah. Wick's
Still
feeling,
under the influence of paint.
he's feeling that good Eastwood vibe.
Yeah, I think it was the solvent that was in there.
That stuff's solventy. Like, I'm surprised they can sell it in California. Shh. Oh yeah, let's not tell. At least it's some product we can get that's good.
Yeah.
Wick and I want to make a shout out to Inline Tube. Look at these hard lines. They fit perfect. I didn't have to monkey with any of this or anything. It just went right where it's supposed to go. We got to put our tabs on and stuff, but just mocking up. Sorry for my finger in the way. But just mocking up. Looking good. Inline Tube. Good stuff.
Yeah, you guys are top notch.
Wick likes them.
I like them a lot.
He likes them a lot.
Yeah, they got good stuff. Good stuff in my tube, yes. Good go.
Thumbs up from Wick. You're good.
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. So Wick and I were looking for the routing for the brake lines to make sure we're dead on. And what did you just ask me, Wick?
I found mine here. I was asking if you could
you
zoom in on yours, because I can't seem to zoom in on mine as much as I tried. Really like to see that.
Your printed iPad is broken.
It is. Does it work on that one?
I don't know. Let me come over here. Nope. Hold on. Check this out.
Oh, there you go. Now we can do it.
Look. Enhance. Enhance.
Yeah, it goes
Enhance. Look at that.
It goes into the frame.
It's right here. Yeah, that's what I got too. It goes over the top of the control arm bracket. Look, it's easier to see on the screen than.
Oh, yeah, right.
Look, see? And then, like, I'm gonna try to point. Like, holy shit, look at the size of my finger.
Yeah.
There it is.
We're looking,
But our paper iPads don't work.
No. You know, mine shows this with a dotted line, like it goes into the frame. Like, check this out. I'll bring it over here so you can zoom in on it.
Uh-oh.
This is a great book, by the way.
Sorry, we got a phone call. You were bringing this paper. Oh, we were talking about how good the book is.
Oh, this book. Yeah, this
good
book
book.
is, if you're doing one of these cars, you have to have this book. It is absolutely unbelievably helpful.
Has this book been flagged in the bathroom?
It almost looks like it has.
Has this been to the bathroom?
It's been to the bathroom probably many, many times. And probably it'll probably be there again at some point in time.
Well, yeah,
Today even, who knows?
Yeah, well, that's where all the best reading goes.
But see, it looks like here, it actually, those dotted lines, like it ducks into the frame.
Wick, that's the passenger side.
Yeah? Was that a different car?
Your fuel line.
Diagram for Ford and 69 GTO. That's what we're working on, isn't it?
Yes, but I'm talking about the brake line. The brake line's on the
well,
driver's
fuel line
side.
and brake line, they all go the same way. Oh, brake line, okay, I was in fuel. Well, let's go to brakes here.
Oh my God.
Brakes. 212. Brake line routing, look at that.
This is the most hilarious day we've ever had. Just because
Yeah,
we're
I shouldn't have started with the paint so early.
off the wall.
Brakes. 212 to 25.
Wick's finding it in the good book.
There's something that looks just like what you have.
Oh, look.
There's a 69 to 70 brake pipes.
And
There's the brake pipes. You're right, it's on the outside on this car. And it ducks through the frame right there. Right there, do you see it there?
Yep, because it shows it right here too. Whoa!
Look, it's almost the exact same diagram.
Probably
Funny
is.
how that works.
Oh,
and look,
focus. There we go.
focus. That's kind of a cool little blow up wherever that takes place.
Oh yeah, little bracket.
Number 10, I don't know where number 10 is, but
We'll be reading, and
I guess we'll figure it out.
oh, it's better than fisting it out.
And see, there's other dotted lines there, so those other dotted lines must be fuel. You think? What's
Although
6?
the other fuel showed it.
Pipe
going
assembly,
there.
rear brake, left hand. And this is all brakes.
Oh, that's the hard line on top of the housing.
Yeah.
That's on top of the differential housing. God, that is way tiny. I was looking at it on the screen,
Yeah.
and I'm like, oh, that's huge. And I look at it in real life, and it's like,
It's
here.
hard to read.
Look how small it is.
I know, it's itty. It's itty bitty.
Go back to this one. Oh yeah, here's
Look,
a
here's a
dotted.
full
Look,
blow up for a 68 to get even bigger here.
there we go. All right, we're getting to the point of probably being boring.
Yeah, well, I'm bored with it, so anybody that doesn't really care about this project would definitely be bored with it.
They'd be like,
Let's paint some stuff.
calm down, Wick.